Can I actually figure out the real risks behind these popular investments before I lose my shirt? Investing in stocks, real estate, or cryptocurrency can seem like a great way to grow your wealth, but are you really safe today? We're often sold on the potential gains, but rarely do we hear about the hidden risks. These investments are frequently touted for their potential gains, but many investors are unaware of the significant downsides and complexities involved. Think about it, when was the last time you really dug deep into the risks associated with your investments? It's easy to get caught up in the excitement of investing, but it's crucial to understand what you're getting yourself into. The truth is, every investment comes with its own set of risks. Let's take stocks, for example. Market volatility and company-specific risks can wipe out your investment overnight. One bad earnings report or a sudden change in market sentiment can send stock prices plummeting. Real estate investing isn't immune to risks either. Liquidity issues and maintenance costs can quickly eat into your profits. If you're not prepared for the long-term commitment of property ownership, you might find yourself in a financial bind. Cryptocurrency, in particular, is known for its extreme price swings and regulatory uncertainty. The crypto market can be highly unpredictable, and without proper research, you might end up losing a significant portion of your investment. The thing is, while all investments carry risk, the biggest risk isn't always the investment itself, but the investor's approach. A lack of understanding or emotional decision-making can lead to devastating consequences. Many investors let emotions cloud their judgment, leading to impulsive decisions that can cost them dearly. The key takeaway here is that while all investments carry risk, understanding those risks and making informed, rational decisions is crucial to protecting your capital. It's not about avoiding risk altogether, but about being aware of it and taking steps to mitigate it. If you've had any experiences with investments, good or bad, I'd love to hear about them in the comments. Subscribe to my channel for more insightful financial content, and let's navigate the world of investing together.